Hi guys, in front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First, open your phone dialer, then go to Contacts, select the contact that you want to personalize, mark Edit, choose the contact, and now select camera icon. Now you can either take a photo, or you can choose something from your gallery. Let me mark Choose Photo, and decide if it's from File Manager or Photos. And now just select the picture. Let me just reopen it. Just choose a picture that you want to add as a profile one, tap on confirmation mark and save. So that's it. From now on, this photo is assigned to particular contact and you will be able to see it before, like not before, but once someone is calling you. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.